Welcome you to English class. In the previous video, I asked you for 3 things and you said yes by signing up to the course. I'm really glad that you are with me. But I know that a lot of you struggle with the skill of writing. Either you end up complicating the things or giving up. But remember that the simpler you go, the easier it is. Let's get started. Before going to the main things, I have got one bonus tip for you. Guys, just keep one mentor with you. Now, who is the mentor? Mentor is someone who knows the language, right? I also have mentors with me who help me whenever I need them. So it can be your friend, it can be one of your parents, or it can be anyone. And if you don't have anyone in your circle, just go online, search friends on Facebook, and they are surely going to help you. Okay, let's start. Just remember one thing, that knowing the basics or cramming the basics is entirely different thing. Basics should be in your mind, not on your tongue. By this, I mean that you do not need to cram 4 to 5 liner definitions. Just remember the basics. So first of all, let's talk about sentence. Let me ask you, what comes in your mind when I ask you what is sentence? Maybe group of words or something else? But here, just keep one thing in your mind. That just remember, sentence is a systematic arrangement of words that makes sense. That's it. Now, here's the sentence. It is your right to write the things right way. Right? So, let's move to another term, that is word. Now, word is same like sentence. Word is a systematic arrangement of letters that make sense. Okay, so the last one is letter, or you can call it alphabet. Letters or alphabets are the symbols that have identity and sounds. So these are the 3 terms that you have to remember. Just keep it in mind and don't just complicate the things. Right? Before going to an end, I would like to ask you one question. Is I am a sentence or not? Just comment down below and I'll see your answers. See you next time. Bye.